Tamar is 16 years old. He is an A student and is very popular at school. His home life is a different story. His father, John, considers him to be too effeminate. Tamar is physically, verbally, and emotionally abused. Neighbors are concerned about the young man's safety but are not sure how they can help. Here is how the law protects young people like Tamar. Section 9 of the Child Care and Protection Act broadly protects young people from psychological and physical abuse. This offers some protection to Tamar. Additionally, Section 6(2) of the Act requires persons, including neighbors, who are aware of Tamar's abuse to report it to the relevant authorities with criminal sanctions if they don't. Notwithstanding, agencies such as the Child Protection and Family Services Agency and Children's Advocate need to develop explicit policies dealing with the forms of abuse that is likely to be faced by Tamar and children who identify as LGBT within the family, community, educational institutions, and wider society.